Hey guys, welcome back or welcome to the channel. My name is Tawana and today we're having a little bit of a hygiene haul. Before the haul, of course, I'm going to be taking you guys hygiene shopping with me to show you guys all the essentials and products that I kind of use for my daily hygiene and just keeping clean, fresh, and all of that good stuff. So I really just came on here to introduce the video and tell you guys don't forget to like. If you get anything out of this, don't forget to subscribe. I would really, appreciate if you consider that at least. So we're gonna head off to Walmart and pick up everything I've read out of, and it is basically a lot. I have actually just waited to do this video today and pick up all my needs, all my necessities that are basically out of stock in or running low on. And I did place an order for a couple of things that I ordered online from like Ulta and Glossier. So when I return, I'll show you guys that as part of the haul. But let's get going. Just gonna grab my bag here and we can head out. Hygiene starts from within, so I do love the multivitamins here from Fusion. It was my favorite. And they're pretty tasty because Lord knows I cannot do like regular vitamins that are not gummies. Ooh, child. Not for me. Okay. So I need to get me some replacement brush heads for my Sonic Hair toothbrush. Gotta find the actual ones that it is though. And they have a lot on the shelf, so I don't know which one exactly. Might be this one up here. Let's see. Okay, so I think it's this one here. It's this Philips Sonic Hair with a diamond clean. And it's the right head. And then I'm gonna get some toothpaste. And I always get the Colgate cavity protection. So this one is just a plain one. I don't mess with any of the other ones because it's like super extra, to be honest. And I need some floss. Okay. So I don't really like the floss pick, so I'm gonna take a regular floss down here. And we're gonna grab just a Equate brand, I guess. That's fine by me. Dental floss is dental floss. I'm also grabbing a dental guard. Well, it's a, what you call it again? A night guard. I grind my teeth in my sleep, so I do need these to help with bruxism, is what it's called really. So I'm going to replenish this because I only have like 2 more left, and I do try to replace them every so often because of all, obviously, the bacteria in your mouth naturally. And we need some mouthwash, and I always get the Scope brand. That's just the one I love. I'm going to grab some Scope, the green one, not any other color. That should be everything we need in this aisle, so let's go to the other personal care parts and find everything else I need. Let's grab some tampons, and I'm gonna grab Tampax. This one I always get, just regular. Guys, they also had the Lola light tampons on sale. Well, on clearance. I'm gonna pick them up because they are good for light days, and Lola is an organic brand, so this is a great price for this. And then I pick up the Bic, just a little 2-pack of the shaving sticks, and I'm gonna get 2 of these. And then I also use for my post-wax the lavender oil. I'll show you guys some other products that I use for post-waxing, which is really good, but I get it from Ulta, sometimes Sephora. And this right here, I'm running out of my shampoo, which is the Shea Moisture Manuka Honey Intensive Hydration Shampoo. I still have conditioner, so I'm not going to replenish the conditioner, but I'm going to pick this one up. And I used to use a black charcoal from the Shea Moisture line, but it just sat on top of my hair, so that's why I switched over to the Manuka Honey one. It's more hydrating and actually does the job of cleaning my hair. Yeah, I know some people like the Dr. Teal's, but I'm not the biggest fan. And then Native is super expensive too, so I've got $11 for deodorant all the time. So I do love the aluminum-free Dove. You can't go wrong with it. They have different scents, but I always get the cucumber and green tea. I can't remember the name, but cucumber green tea. All right, let's move on. Also, guys, like I don't really get body washes. I do like the Necessaire though, like that one's really good, but regardless I don't really do like the Doves and stuff like that. gonna get some makeup wipes, and I like the Neutrogena in the blue box, so the blue bag. Basically this one right here. And then getting some micellar water, and I like the Garnier in the blue one. I don't really like the rose water for some reason. Well, I don't know. So I just get the blue pen all the time, which is the all-in-one waterproof. So it takes off like waterproof mascara, eyeliner, whatever it might be. So I'm gonna replenish this one here. And then for my lotion, I usually get the Jergens, and I get the this one down here, the Ultra Healing. So I'm just gonna get the biggest size, so it can last me some. Okay, and I'm gonna re-up on my favorite Dr. Teal's, not a body wash. I actually wanted the bubble bath. Yeah. So I'm getting the Dr. Teal's foaming bath with the pure Epsom salt for Soothe and Sleep. That was pretty good. Another good option for the bubble bath is the Shea Moisture and Almond Butter. Well, almond oil, my bad, but this one's really good as well. But I just like the one for sleeping because you guys know I have issues falling asleep at night, and a good soothing bath with that really helps. They have these body scrubs, like sugar scrubs, but honestly I have like 2 scrubs I use right now, one from Necessaire and the other is my Frank body scrub. So I did get some new ones of that. I'll show you guys once we get home. I'm gonna grab a sheet mask down here, and I'm gonna get the vitamin C restoring one. That looks good. I do like doing sheet masks every now and again, just, you know, helping my skin, cleaning, breathing under all the makeup and stuff I wear. So this one is just something I pick up if I'm not going to like Ulta or Sephora usually. Guys, I'm here and I'm just grabbing a couple of new washcloths because I like to replenish mine every couple of months, especially the white ones. So I got like white, gray, and black, about 4 of them. And I do also want to get maybe one of these like exfoliating ones. They have this right here, which is like an exfoliating washcloth. I might try that out. And I think we have everything that we need from the store. So, okay guys, and I'm here to pick up my last thing, which is the Gain Fling Pods for laundry. Of course, laundry is part of hygiene, so I just need to find them because I don't really shop at this Walmart, I'm not gonna lie to y'all. But literally in this section right here, so let's find them. Oh, here they are. Y'all, the one I want is way in the back, like all the way in the back. See if I can find it. 1 second. Okay, so now that's everything, and we can get out of here. So I'm back from the store, you guys, and you kind of saw everything that I got as far as, you know, dental hygiene, skin lotion, baths, anything you could think of. As I mentioned, I had a couple of things I wanted to show you guys that I got from Sephora and Ulta. 2 things are being delivered right now, so as soon as they get here, I'll show them to you. But in the meantime, we'll start with what I have from Sephora. And basically, so if you heard me mention in the store, I don't really do body washes. I kind of like get the bar soaps. That's why I got that pack of Dove actual soap. And when I do a body wash, the one I really love right now is the Necessaire body wash. This one is a eucalyptus, and it is chef's kiss. Smells so good. I feel like I'm in a spa when I actually wash myself with this and shower with this. So it's, you know, really not only it not only smells good, but it's really hydrating as well, and just really softens my skin when I do wear it. So this is pretty pricey. I don't obviously use it all the time. That's why I use my bar soap in between, and when I kind of have like my spa treatment Sundays, my self-care Sundays, I use this one a lot. So I re-upped on it recently. And then I also got the body exfoliator from Necessaire as well. So I got both these products recently. You might have seen like I got this in one of my recent vlogs. So this one I really do love. It is the sandalwood. It comes in the black tubing, and amazing. It kind of reminds me of like charcoal bits in there kind of, but not really. But really great exfoliator. This I use kind of interchangeable with my Frank Body coffee scrub. The coffee scrub, y'all, I don't think this beats it. it's close, but it just, no, the Frank body definitely tops it off. But that one is a little bit more messier because it's literally just a scrub. It looks like little ground up coffee. This is kind of more of like a paste, so it doesn't get all over the shower. So I do kind of use this one more often than my Frank body. The Frank body I use when I go in with this. Ironically, I don't use the Necessaire with the Necessaire. But when I do use my Necessaire body wash, I use the scrub afterwards from Frank Body, and again do my whole like spa treatment in the shower. And then I also just get the Fenty, I think it's like the butter drop. Let me focus it in for you guys. Yes, so I do get this here, the butter drop, in the travel size just because I have Jergens lotion. And this one I just like to put it in my my handbag, my work bag when I'm going with it. So that is my other like kind of like, you know, lotion that I use to kind of travel with and walk around with in my day-to-day. So that's the 3 things I really get from Sephora. My other stuff is actually gonna be a Frank Body scrub and these 2 waxing exfoliators that I use, well, after waxing exfoliators that I use from KP Beauty. So it's First Aid Beauty, I think, actually. Yeah, name I always mix it up, but well, when it gets delivered in a minute or 2, I'll show you guys what that is. So here are the last few items that I had to show you guys. These 3 are from Ulta, and then I have my Glossier product right here. So from Ulta, for waxing, well, post-waxing, I usually get this here from First Aid Beauty. It is the KP Bump Eraser Body Scrub. It says body scrub, you guys, but honestly, I use this for just not obviously, you know, down there, but on the outside, you know, where you basically have like a bikini wax area. So I use this there because it's a great exfoliant. It's also safe for sensitive skin, like it says on the packaging right here. And honestly, it just helps like with post-waxing where you don't have the usual hyperpigmentation, discoloration, you know, darkness down there. It really keeps it smooth. And then, and I had researched this because I wanted something obviously for down there after waxing. And this was one of the recommendations from what I found online and doing my own little research. And in addition to that, after waxing, I tend to use this here also from First Aid Beauty. It is the ingrown hair pads. And it literally looks like little cotton pads that are like, you know, drenched in liquid. So it's like moist. Sorry for that word. I know some people hate it. But it's really good also for post-waxing for ingrown hairs, like it says. You know, sometimes they don't get every last hair. They pluck it. And your skin is just really sensitive down there after waxing. So this also just helps reduce the chances of ingrown hairs. So these 2 products here, holy grail. And then you guys know I mentioned the Frank Body Coffee Scrub. 10 out of 10, highly recommend. It literally is so exfoliating, you guys. Like when I use this in the shower, I literally feel a difference in my skin right away while standing in the shower. It just softens my skin, takes away all the dead skin cells that were there, and just keeps me feeling and looking amazing. So I love this. I use this before I actually go in with like my Necessaire. I showed you guys a body wash. So I use this first and then I use a body wash right after, and ooh, love. And then I just re-upped here on my Glossier. This is my, let me make it focus for you guys. Yeah, so this is my Glossier Milk Jelly Cleanser. It's just a face wash I use first thing in the morning, you know, when I get in the shower. And it is just so great, soft, silky, hydrating. And it's like one of the best cleansers I've ever had. So I just needed to get another bottle because I'm like this much left in my last one in the shower. So I picked those up. But that was all my final products I had to show you guys, really. So you guys, that's everything for my little hygiene haul today. It's not pretty expensive. It just obviously adds up if you have to buy everything all together. But usually all my things don't run out together. But I did, like I said, wait a little bit so I can show you guys everything within one concise video. But that is going to be it for today. I hope that you guys enjoyed this. Of course, all the products that I talked about and mentioned are linked below for your shopping. So that's basically it. Thank you guys for watching. If you made it all the way to the end, as always, I do appreciate every single one of you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. But until then, bye guys.